Here I have CUBOT Note 9, and today I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, then go to the picture size, and here you can change aspect ratio. So basically you only have two aspect ratios. You have 4:3 or 16:9, and with different picture resolutions for it. So like, yeah, only two aspect ratios. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.